आज के इस दीक्षांत समारोह में आप सभी का अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Together, we have the honor of guiding you through this extraordinary event that marks the highest point of years of One Choitram unit. Arrivals are special and yours is especially so. We are deeply grateful for your presence today. Next, I want to offer a warm welcome to all the parents and the enthusiastic students of Choitram College of Paramedical Sciences.
Before we continue, let's start with a special tradition, lamp lighting ceremony, to honor Goddess Saraswati. I request all the dignitaries along with our Vice Principal Ma'am to light the lamp. On stage for Saraswati Vandanam.
Pad proud parents, my esteemed faculty, and last but not least, my loving graduates. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you representing the entire Choitram College of Paramedical Sciences to celebrate this occasion. I like to take opportunity to congratulate the graduates and their family for the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and sacrifice. In this journey, you have actualized your goal, then you have acknowledged the success and thus completing the graduation. I still remember how you all came together with your parents for the common purpose in mind to encourage and develop lifelong learning, and that is the graduation, and now we have completed the graduation of batch 2017. We are proud of the success that you have made. In a world which is constantly evolving, filled with both opportunities and uncertainties, I am confident that you all are well equipped to make a positive impact. You are not just the leaders of tomorrow, you are the leaders of today. Take the responsibility, accept the challenges that comes, and pave the path of your own with your embraced knowledge and skills you gain. In case if you feel कि आप कहीं फेल हो रहे हैं, तो एक फ्रेज याद रखना, हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने कहा था, असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक सफल न हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। In short, as well said by Stoic, the failure is a step ahead to the success. With all my gratitude, I always cherish the present day, which will dedicate it to the teachers, supportive parents, and all those who have played a role in carving the individuals we celebrate today. Congratulations once again, and do remember, this is not your end journey. We are welcoming you for our alumni club, and our first meeting will be held on 23rd December. Hope to see you all. Thank you.
Remain in our hearts forever.
Good afternoon. I am Purnima Parmar. It's time to give our graduates their well-deserved degree. I would like to request Sunil sir, Rajesh sir, Vivek sir to join us on the stage for degree presentation.
This is a big day and it shows how hard we have worked. As we call out the names of the graduates, let's all clap and cheer for them. Aditya Patidar.
and strong emotion. To convey the collective feelings and emotions on behalf of the entire class, I would like to invite Dr. Akshat Bhati sir on stage.
Our chief guest, all our professors, and my amazing batch. Welcome to all proud parents. I, Akshat Singh Bhati, today I feel honored that I got this opportunity to convey the feelings and all the emotions of my batchmates from this platform. यहाँ से जब नीचे देखता हूँ तो लगभग हर माँ की आँख में खुशी के आंसू हैं, हर पिता के चेहरे पर गर्व की मुस्कान दिख रही है आज मुझे यहाँ से, क्योंकि आज का ये दिन हम सभी के लिए बहुत खास है। खास है क्योंकि राह देखी थी इस दिन की कब से, आने वाले कल के सपने थे कब से, बड़े उतावले थे यहाँ से जाने को, जिंदगी में अगला पड़ाव पाने को। पर आज दिल में कुछ और आता है, इस लम्हे को यहीं रोकने को जी चाहता है। अनकही हजारों बातें रह गई, बहुत सारी यादें रह गई, बहुत सारी यादें। उनमें से याद आएगा कॉलेज का पहला इंट्रोडक्शन, लाइफ के पहले पेशेंट से हुआ इंट्रोडक्शन, कॉलेज से डिपार्टमेंट तक का सफर, इंदौर में बैठे बैठे अमेरिका जापान का सफर, थोड़ा थोड़ा ये भी याद आएगा 75% अटेंडेंस का डर। लगता है अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही मैं और मेरे दोस्तों ने सोच रहे थे कि कॉलेज फ्रेशर्स में क्या पहनना है, और अभी कल परसों ही सोचना पड़ा कि कॉन्वोकेशन में क्या पहनना। वैसे तो एक लंबा और कठिन सफर था ये, पर आप सभी के साथ ने इसे आसान कर दिया। When I look back, I remember once in my class in first year, one of our professors said that movement is medicine. I was so amazed with that phrase that I wrote it down on the first page of my notebook. And now I love this journey because when I look back, I feel all our professors, all our doctors, they not only said things, they actually made us believe it. They not only taught us just subjects, but they also taught us all the needed qualities. They taught us how to assess patient, but they also taught us how to assess ourselves. They made us not only good therapists, but they also made us good human beings too. वो कहावत आज सिद्ध लगती है मुझे यहाँ पर कि जब एक मूर्तिकार मूर्ति को आकार देता है तो पत्थर को बहुत सारी चोटें लगती हैं, कठिनाइयाँ होती हैं, परेशानी होती है, पर अंत में वही मूर्ति, वही पत्थर पूजनीय हो जाता है। You all shaped us from coal to diamonds, and I feel there must be a standing ovation for all the professors and staff and the doctors. I will request my batch to stand on their places and
Step into a world filled with new challenges, opportunities, and responsibilities. With these responsibilities comes a sincere promise.
I invite all our graduates to take their places on the stage as we prepare for the oath ceremony.
I willingly take oath in the presence of our families, teachers, and guests, in recognition of honor of becoming a physiotherapist. I dedicate myself to the following. I will respect the rights and dignity of all the individuals and will provide compassionate care. I will value the life of my patient as I value my own life and maintain the confidential nature of our relationship. I recognize my limitation and will continue to consult with my colleagues and co-workers. I will work towards the improvement of quality for all my patients. I will place the welfare of my patient above my own self-interest. I will work to improve the practice of physiotherapy so that all who seek it will receive the treatment which is proper, ethical, and just. I will be trustworthy towards my patient in all other areas of physiotherapy practice. I will not allow my judgment regarding the practice of my profession to be influenced by race, creed, religion, greed, or unethical behavior. I will uphold the honor of my profession, institute, and country as my pride. Thus, with this oath, I freely accept the responsibilities that accompany the practice of physiotherapy. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all the dignitaries present over here. Now it's time to acknowledge the merit awards for the batch 2017. We are going to start with the PPD first year, and for give away the honors, I would like to call Mr. Dheeraj sir to please come up on stage.
congratulations to all our remarkable graduates, the class of 2000. We are beaming with pride for your hard-earned success. As we draw the curtains on the memorable day, I request Himani to deliver an expression of gratitude.
It's a true privilege for me to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks and recognize the contributions of those who have made this ceremony a huge success. Let us begin by extending our heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty for blessing us and making this day possible. On behalf of Choitram College of Paramedical Sciences, I want to express our deep appreciation to all our distinguished guests. Your presence, despite your busy schedule, has graced this occasion. A warm note of gratitude to Mr. Sumit Nandedkar sir and Mr. Rajesh Awasthi sir for believing in our potential and transforming challenges into opportunities. A special thanks goes to our visionary director, Dr. Vinod Naneria, for his unwavering support and guidance in the growth of our college. A warm thank you to our Vice Principal Ma'am, Dr. Mayuri Athrolia Ma'am, for being a guiding light throughout our journey. Our appreciation extends to all the dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff for their continuous support in making this event possible. I also want to express our gratitude to the wonderful parents of our graduates for their steadfast support and encouragement. A big thank you to all our brilliant graduates. We wish you a successful journey ahead. We extend our sincerest gratitude to all the volunteers whose selfless efforts have made this event a success. We must not forget the vital contributions from the housekeeping, technical departments and all other departments that played a direct or indirect role in making this event a reality. Thank you.